Are you switching your jobs frequently? Are you craving for a successful career? Tell me if you are unable to perform in your job while others are growing fast. Tell me if most of the mornings you have to push yourself to go to your job because you need money. You're afraid that your passion may not get you money. And you know the reality that we have all seen in this COVID, that money is an essential to live on this planet. See, I'm here to help you. I'm telling you the reason why this is happening to you. It's happening because you have not yet met your true self. Yet you're lost in the world fitting for others for your need. So if you're yet to meet the real you, please watch my previous video. I'm giving the link in description. So let's begin with today's topic, defining your true being for a successful career. So how is this going to help you in your career? See, I have a simple advice. If you follow whatever I'm saying honestly, no curtain can stop the light of your bright future. And believe me, I will not let you settle down with the darkness. So now, let's see how this works toward a successful career. To be really successful and happy, you have to have a dream. A dream that gets you charged. So, to find an appropriate dream for you, you must find your true nature. Your dream should relate the real you if you are craving for success. You know, our life is full of choices and decisions to be made. And if you're planning your career, changing your jobs, upgrading your skills, or trying to balance your family's need, you have to be wise enough for you at first. I will help you to see your options. I will help you to make a decision, set your goals, complete your task. That will lead you closer to your vision for your life. We like many things, but the only thing that we master doing with pleasure is our real hobby for our career. The way you make living should reflect who you are as an individual. Whenever you're choosing an occupation, you must take into account your interest, your personality, work-related values. And trust me, you will not only enjoy your job, but you'll be best at that. Now let's see how can we find an appropriate passion of ours and then turn it into career. So let's see. Ask yourself, is there something you already love doing? Find out that where are you spending your hours reading and watching about. You have to do the research as much as possible to be double sure about your hobby before you proceed your hobby to your career. Your passion should be the thing you enjoy and for which you are naturally wired to excel. Now, let's turn passion into career. So there is a process of doing it. You have to determine the demand. Discover your passion and determine the level of demand for your skill. Choose a field that you're best at. And where are you going to present your hobby so you can make it into your career. Your research, your plans should be based on your qualification. And if it is required, qualify yourself more. Practice more and more and more. So once everything is done, you think that now you can jump into the market with your passion, turning it into your career, you're ready. Now see, you will feel happy, proud and fantastically amazing for what you do. Let's close our eyes and dream our fabulous life. It's calling you. Yeah, it's calling you. Don't miss the call. Pick it up and let it change your life for good. If you could connect with my video and loved what I said, don't forget to like and share with your loved ones to benefit them too. Keep showering your love, keep learning, have a fantastic life. May Almighty bless you all. Hail Shiva.